Hey everybody, the OnePlus Open is the ultimate creator's tool. In our last video, we showed you how you can use the Hasselblad camera system on the Open to capture some amazing content. Check that out here if you haven't seen it. Today, we wanted to show you how we edited it using just the OnePlus Open. We also wanted this video to double as our review of the new YouTube Create app, which we thought to be a pretty straightforward editing app, but with a couple tricks and one very important function missing, which we'll get to in a second. But if you've edited anything with apps like CapCut, you should be familiar with the interface already. Import your footage in the order you want it to appear in the video. You can rearrange things afterwards if you change your mind, but if you're all about speed, this step saves you some time. You can trim the clips, cut them up, reorder, add transitions, effects, voiceover, text, and music, just like many video editing apps. So, what makes YouTube Create stand out? For starters, layers are a bit easier to work with. It's a small thing, but it's great. If you're creating content specifically for YouTube, you can get access to the full YouTube audio library for music and sound effects, which is absolutely phenomenal. If you've ever reposted a TikTok onto Shorts and had it flagged, you know this pain is real. So what's the deal breaker? No text-to-speech. For better or for worse, that little robot voice has dominated the vertical video space. Not having it here is a bummer, so hopefully they add it in a future release. But whatever app you choose to cut your content on, the OnePlus Open makes it an absolute breeze. The large screen really lets us fine-tune the edit and get into the little details, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 can handle anything we throw at it. Excited to see what you guys create.